Good morning, my fourth grade students of أطفال الرمث النموذجي school. How are you? Hope you are fine. In this class, inshallah, we are going to talk about the present continuous tense. The present continuous tense. زمن المضارع المستمر. Let's start our class by showing you these pictures. Good morning, my fourth grade students of أطفال الرمث النموذجي school. How are you? Hope you are fine. In this class, inshallah, we are going to talk about the present continuous tense. The present continuous tense. زمن المضارع المستمر. Let's start our class by showing you these pictures. Look at this picture يا رابع. What is the boy doing? What is he doing? He is running. He is running. Picture number 2. What is he doing now? What is he doing now? الآن. He is singing. He is singing. Oh, what about this picture? What is he doing now? Look at the picture. What is he doing? Is he drinking juice? Is he dancing? No, he is eating. He is eating. Look at SpongeBob. What is he doing, يا رابع? What is he doing? He's having a book and he is reading. He is reading. What about the Simpson? What is he doing now? What is he doing now? He is watching TV. He is watching TV. Finally, the girls, what are they doing? What are they doing? They are playing. They are playing. Yes, يا رابع. Here we have the sentences that we said. He is running. He is running. Run plus ing. He is running. This is a present continuous sentence. He is singing. He is singing. Sing plus ing. He is eating. He is eating. Eat is the verb plus ing. He is reading. He is reading. Read plus ing. They are playing. They are playing. Play is the verb. We added ing. After this يا رابع, could you tell me what is the form of the present continuous tense? شو هو شكل الجملة؟ كيف بنصيغ الجملة بزمن المضارع المستمر؟ What is the form of the present continuous tense? Yes, يا رابع. Here we have the form of the present continuous. The form of the present continuous. We start with the subject as usual. نبلش بالفاعل. Subject plus verb to be plus verb ing plus the complement. Subject, verb to be is or are or am plus the verb with ing plus the complement. طيب يا رابع. How do I choose is or are or am? كيف رح أقرر شو رح أختار is أو are أو am? It depends on the subject. بعتمد على الفاعل. If the subject is singular مفرد we use is. If the subject is singular مفرد we use is. نختار ال is. If the subject is plural جمع we use are. But if the subject is I الأنا we use am. We use am. Now يا رابع, why do we use the present continuous tense? ليش أنا بستخدم زمن المضارع المستمر? We use the present continuous tense to talk about actions at the moment of speaking. عشان أحكي عن أفعال تحدث في نفس لحظة الكلام. Now I am speaking. أنا الآن قاعدة عم بتكلم. I am speaking. You are listening. أنتوا قاعدين بتسمعوا. You are listening to me. I am speaking now. I am speaking now. You are listening to your teacher now. we have examples. They are playing football now. They are playing football now. هم يلعبون كرة القدم الآن. At the moment of speaking. They is the subject. Are verb to be. Playing is the verb. Football now is the complement. They is the subject. Are verb to be. Playing is the verb plus ing, play plus ing. Football now is the complement. Example number 2. I am writing an email to my cousin at the moment. I am writing an email to my cousin at the moment. في هذه اللحظة. I is the subject, verb to be. Writing is the verb. An email to my cousin at the moment is the complement. My mother is cooking كبسة now. My mother is cooking كبسة now. My mother is the subject. It's singular مفرد. So that we put is. عشان هيك حطينا is. Because the subject is singular. Cooking verb plus ing. كبسة now is the complement. The same is here. I am watching TV with my brother now. الآن. I am watching TV with my brother now. The last one. He is reading a book about Petra at the moment. At the moment. في هذه اللحظة. Now يا رابع, let's move to the negative form of the present continuous tense. صيغة النفي. How to negate the sentence of the present continuous? As usual, we said that we have a magical word, الكلمة السحرية اللي هي not. We negate the present continuous sentences by adding not to the verb to be. يعني is راح تصير isn't, are aren't, am not. Here we have the form of the negative sentences. Subject plus verb to be is, are or am, plus not, because we are talking about negative form, plus verb ing plus the complement. Here we have examples. They aren't playing football now. At first we have it, they are playing football now. We negated by adding not. They aren't playing football now. I am writing an email to my cousin at the moment. It becomes I am not writing. I am not writing an email to my cousin at the moment. My mother is cooking كبسة now. We negate it by my mother isn't by adding not. ضفنا not. My mother isn't cooking كبسة now. نفي. I am watching TV with my brother now. I am not watching TV with my brother now. The same is here. He isn't reading a book about Petra at the moment. So that we negate the present continuous sentences by adding the word not عن طريق إضافة كلمة not where to the verb to be. Is, become, isn't, are, aren't, am not. Now let's move to the question form. How to form questions. How to form questions. We form questions in the present continuous tense by interchanging the subject and the verb to be. By interchanging the subject and the verb to be, and we end with the question mark instead of the full stop, so that the form becomes as be, is or are or am at first. We put them at first. Then we have the subject be, is or are or am plus the subject. Then we have, as usual, the verb with ing. Then we have the complement and we end with the question mark. Here we have an example. They are playing football now. Form a question يا رابع. Form a question. نستخدم المقص. Are becomes at first. they in the second. They are playing football now. Are they playing football now? Are they playing football now? The answer is yes, they are, or no, they aren't. Here we have the answer. نستخدم المقص كمان مرة. We answer with yes. Yes, they are. No, they aren't. Example number 2. She is playing handball now. She is playing handball now. How to make it a question? How to form a question? نستخدم المقص. Is becomes at first, she at the second. Is she playing handball now? Is she playing handball now? Yes or no question. Yes, she is, or no, she isn't. The last example with I am writing a letter to Ali now. I am writing a letter to Ali now. It's not logic to ask with am I. مش منطق يا رابع إنه نخلي السؤال am I, so that we convert am to are and we convert I to you. Are you writing a letter to Ali now? Are you? هل أنت تكتب رسالة لعلي الآن? Are you writing a letter to Ali now? I am. Yes, I am, or no, I am not. I answer with yes, I am, or no, I am not. I am writing a letter to Ali now. Are you writing a letter to Ali now? Yes, I am, or no, I am not.